Hook. People think using AI in business means some crazy complex setup, but in reality it's just a lot of small assists during the day. In this video I'll take you behind the scenes of a normal workday and show you exactly where I plug AI in to save time, make decisions and create content faster. Value. In the morning, I start with planning. I paste my messy task list into ChatGPT and ask it to group items, suggest priorities and turn everything into a simple schedule. That alone clears my head. When it's time to create, I never open a blank document. I tell AI who I'm talking to, what I want to sell or teach, and ask for 10 angle ideas and 3 hooks. I pick my favorite and ask for a rough script, then I rewrite it in my own words, so it feels like me. For client work, I use AI to summarize long briefs and contracts into clear bullet points. What matters, what's due, what success looks like. During the day, anytime I catch myself rewriting the same type of message or explanation, I save it and ask AI to turn it into a reusable template. By the evening, I have more assets, not just more random chats. The secret is that I don't rely on AI to do everything. I use it as a fast-thinking partner for clarity, structure and first drafts, while I stay in charge of judgment, stories and final decisions. CTA. If you want a checklist of AI touchpoints, you can add to your own day. Save this video and comment, Dave, so I know to record a full behind the scenes breakdown.